which means iron. The following is
कुरान
stated
ने
in
लोहे को
verse
किताब
25
में
of
काफी
the
अहमियत दी
chapter
है,
of Al-Hadid.
बल्कि सूरत का नाम भी लोहे पर है, अल हदीद।
And we also sent down iron, in which there lies great force, and which has many
अल
uses
हदीद
for
आयत
mankind.
65। और हमने लोहे को उतारा जिसमें
The
सख्त
word
हैबत और
anzalna,
कुव्वत है,
used
और
for the
लोगों के लिए
formation of
और
iron
भी
from
बहुत
the
से
earth
फायदे
means
हैं।
we sent down. However, what we know is that the iron is dug out from the underground. In our opinion, we dug out should have been
कुरान में लफ्ज
preferred instead
अंज़लना
of we
हमने
sent
उतारा
down.
के लिए इस्तेमाल हुआ है।
However, the situation is not what we think. With the expression, we sent down, in the verse, a very important scientific miracle is pointed out. It is as follows. For the formation of the mineral of iron,
जिससे इस बात की
a
निशानी
certain
होती है
temperature is
कि
needed.
लोहा आसमान से
This
नाजिल किया गया
necessary temperature exists
और ये
neither
दुनिया
in
पर
the
पैदा
earth
नहीं होता।
nor in the sun. The sun has a surface temperature of 6,000 degrees Celsius and a core temperature of approximately 15 million degrees. However, this
लोहे का शुमार
temperature is
पीरियोडिक
inadequate
टेबल
to
के
the
बाहरी
fact
बरकम
that iron
एटम में
can
होता
only
है,
be produced in stars
जो
much
सख्त
hotter
ताकत
than
के
the sun,
बावजूद भी पैदा
where
नहीं
the
हो सकते।
temperature reaches a few
यहाँ तक
hundred
कि हमारा
million
सूरज भी
degrees.
इतनी ताकत नहीं रखता।
When the amount of iron exceeds a certain level in stars, called a nova or a supernova, the star can no longer accommodate it, and it eventually explodes.
तो फिर लोहा कहाँ से आया?
These explosions make it
1400 साल
possible for
बाद
iron
अब
to be
हमें पता चला
dispersed
है
into space.
कि लोहा सूरज से कई गुना बड़े सितारों के फटने
All
से
astronomic
वजूद में
discoveries
आता
have put
है,
forth that
जिसे
the mineral of
नोवे
iron
या
comes from
सुपरनोवे
huge
कहा जाता
stars
है,
from outer space.
जिसमें ये
Not
बड़े
only
सितारे
the
फट
iron
जाते
in
हैं
the earth,
और
but
लोहे के
also
टुकड़े
the
कायनात
iron
में
in our
बिखर जाते
solar
हैं।
system is
इस तरह
absorbed
ये
from
जमीन
outer
पर पहुंचा
space.
है।
For as we have stated before, the temperature of the sun is not enough for the formation of the iron mineral. What is understood from all above is that the mineral of iron is not formed in the earth, but sent down by being carried away from supernovas.
ये बात कुरान में 1400 साल से मौजूद है कि लोहा उतारा गया। ये कैसे
Just
मुमकिन
as
है?
it is stated
ये
here,
खबर कौन दे रहा है?
just as
ये
it is
निशानियां
stated
किसके
here,
लिए हैं?
it is in the age when the Quran was revealed, that is, 1400 years ago. Since it is not possible, how can it be explained that this information exists within the Quran? Is there any explanation other than the fact that the Quran is the book of Allah? Besides, it has been mentioned in the verse that the iron has many benefits for humans. However, people used iron only to
कुरान
make
इसकी
sure
कुव्वत
at
पर
the
जोर
time
देता
when
है।
this verse was
आज के
revealed,
दौर ने ये
and
बात
were not
मजीद
aware
वाज़ेह
of
कर
the
दी है।
other benefits of iron. Despite this, the Quran stated, it has many benefits for mankind. Now, let us see the latest scientific data on iron. Without the iron atom, carbon-based life in the cosmos would not be possible. That
कार्बन
is,
एटम पर
there
मुश्तमिल
would be
तमाम
no
जिंदगी
supernovae,
बगैर लोहे के एटम
no
मुमकिन नहीं है।
heating of the primitive earth,
खून में मौजूद हीमोग्लोबिन,
no
कायनात में मौजूद
atmosphere,
गर्मी,
and no hygrosphere.
जमीन पर मौजूद
There would
ओजोन
be
की
no
तह,
protective
जमीन
magnetic
की
field,
मकनातीसी खूब।
no Van
कुरान
Allen
इन
radiation
तमाम
belts,
कुव्वतों पर तवज्जो दिलाता है।
no ozone layer, no metal to make hemoglobin in human blood, no metal to tame the reactivity of oxygen, and no oxidative metabolism. It is very significant and wise that attention is attracted to iron, particularly that the following is stated about it. Iron in which there lies great force, and
कुरान
which has
इंसानों के
many
लिए
uses
फवाइद
for
पर
mankind.
जोर देता है। पहले सिर्फ औजार और तलवारों के लिए
Along
इस्तेमाल
with what
होने
we
वाला
have
लोहा
mentioned above,
आज
there is
इमारतों,
one more secret
घर,
in this verse.
पुल, गाड़ी,
It is as
मशीनरी,
follows.
हर चीज की
The
जरूरत
verse that
और
mentions
लातादाद
iron
फायदे
is
दे
verse
रहा है।
25 of the chapter of Al-Hadid. The This verse contains two rather interesting mathematical codes. Al-Hadid is the 57th chapter within the Quran. When the word is uttered with the definite article al, the, as al-Hadid in Arabic, the sum of the abjad
कुरान की
values,
सूरत 57 है
numerological value
और
of
अल
its
हदीद के
letters
अददी
is
शुमारों
also
से भी
57.
57 हासिल होता है.
The numerological value of the word Hadid alone, without the definite article, is 26. And 26 is the atomic number.
हदीद अरबी लफ्ज़ की अददी शुमार को जमा करने से 26 हासिल होता
That
है,
is, when we
जो कि
utter
आज
it
साइंसी
as
पीरियोडिक
Al-Hadid,
टेबल में
its
लोहे का
numerological
एटॉमिक
value
नंबर
is
है.
57, which is the number of the chapter within the Quran. When we utter it as Hadid, its numerological value is 26, which is the atomic number of iron. Now, let us think justly. Is it possible for a human being who could not read or write, and who lived in the desert 1400 years ago, when science and
क्या ये सब
technology
निशानियां
advanced
किसी हकीकत को जाहिर कर रही हैं
was sent
कि
down from
कलाम
the
पैदा
sky
करने वाले
and to write
एक
it
रब
in
का
a
है?
book by paying attention to numerological values?